Hey guys. All right, this is going to be pretty much a rant, but something amusing to me happened today. A few weeks ago, um, one of my prospect customers emailed me and he said, "Hey, I just got a Blackbird. I hope I got the right one. Um, can you turn it into a Superbird for me?" I'm like, "Yeah, if it's got the Hopper magazine, sure, no problem." So, got to talking to him a little bit more, and it sounded like he bought a classic Droz. That's the black one that comes with a 30-round magazine and does not have a magazine port for the Hopper mag. So, it turns out he sent me the ad, and sure enough, after we got to talking, he's like, "Man, I think I got ripped off." And I said, "Yeah, this is not a Blackbird. This is a classic Droz." So he returned it and followed my advice from there. Well, this morning when I woke up, I got an email from somebody else, and he said I'd been talking to him, and he said that he purchased a black bumblebee, and could you turn it into a Superbird for him? Like, sure, you're gonna need to get a Hopper magazine. Here's where you can get one of those. And got to talking to him a little bit more, and come to find out, he bought the same one from the same seller on eBay. And you have this seller who relisted it again as a Blackbird when the other person told them, indeed, this was not a Blackbird and I would like to return this. So there's a lot of tomfoolery that goes on with these guns, especially with Americans. You do not get this with the Russian sellers. Let me tell you this. All you have to do is type in MP661K into eBay. You know what that would have said 2 years ago? That would have said, "We cannot find anything with this word in it," and then it would probably put you into bathroom fixtures or something like that. But there's a reason those guys are there. And you can look at their feedback. They are very invested in keeping Americans happy. So I know all of them. I've never had a problem with any one of them. If there was ever a problem with one of my customers with them, it was fixed immediately. But yeah, it just baffles my mind. This platform has never been supported more. And people just don't get it. You know, you can go to eBay and message any one of these guys and talk to them. They all speak English to some extent. That's all you gotta do, really. I mean, it just baffles me. It really does. Anyway, that's about it for my rant here. You can watch this crappy video of me trying to shoot 8K with slow motion. Later.